Welcome to my channel Emmiter Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creating some footage as requires some wise plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.